Hey folks, Farmer Joe here, fresh in the greenhouse. Are you ready for seedling sales? I am. May 18th, that's Thursday, we're opening for the season. We'll be open Thursday 11 to 7, Friday 11 to 5, and Saturday 9 to 5, all through the season. I'm doing a little test this year for the first time. We're gonna have a couple, we only have 2 of these for sale, so if you want it, come early. And it's cherry tomatoes in a grow bag with a cage. Everything's ready. Just put it on your front porch or backyard or wherever you're gonna put it, and it's ready to rock. So anyway, that's pretty exciting. And you even get a red cherry tomato ready to eat. So I look forward to seeing you at the farm store, and come on by if you've got questions, if you need gardening supplies, fertilizer, row cover, like landscape fabric. We've got seeds also from Gaia Seeds. We've got, yeah, all sorts of stuff. And then, you know, depending, it's been a bit of a late spring, so the veggies are going to be coming on gradually. You know, over the next couple weeks, they'll be coming on slowly. At first, the arugula and the radishes, and then the very first lettuce, and you know, so at first it's mostly seedling sales, and then as we build a bigger and bigger crescendo of veggies until summer hits and it's full abundance. So anyway, I look forward to that. I look forward to seeing you. One more thing. No aphids in the peppers this year. Some of you may have discovered that there was a couple of aphids in the peppers last year, which my experience is once we plant them outside, it pretty much disappears instantly, because in a greenhouse environment, we don't have all the predators necessary, but as soon as we move them outside, they get nipped out. But this year, I took preventative action and we introduced some lacewing larvae. So here, each one of these little cards has about 500 lacewing larvae eggs on it. And so every week we've been placing this in the peppers and the eggplants, and so far I haven't seen a single aphid. Woohoo!